JSW Sports will own both men's and women's team of Punjab and Haryana in the Hockey India League. TD India Suchitra talked to the owner of the team, Manisha Malhotra, about the return of Hockey India League and the inclusion of women in this. Take a look.
Hockey India League is back and with a twist. Now there's going to be a women and men's league, and we have with us Manisha Malhotra from JSW Sports, who are going to own Punjab and Haryana men's and women's team. Manisha, what is going to be the main reason for being associated with this hockey league?
The main reason is to give back and grow the sport of hockey in India, and it's one of the greatest sports. It has a very strong connect with our nation, and we want to bring it back to the glory days where India was the powerhouse in hockey. So we're coming off back-to-back Olympic medals, and JSW Sports has really been very, very passionate about Olympic sport, and this is another one of those vehicles where we want to grow and really have a very strong team, but the main focus is going to be the development of hockey in India.
And they are going to be women's team. Not many franchisees, some have opted only for men's team. But you're the only franchisee that have opted for both men's and women's team, that too for 2 states. So what's the main reason for supporting the women's team?
Well, the Jindal family, first of all, believes in equal opportunity. They have a big focus in women in sport. And from an Olympic perspective, we have a lot of hope for the women of our country. And, we have, as you can see, I was the only woman sitting up there also. So it's a very commendable thing that we want to grow women's sport along with men's sport. And this is a great opportunity, and we didn't want to pass that by.
You also talked about the return on investment in women's sports being higher than in men's sport. So how that's going to be a major factor when it comes to, supporting women's team for the other franchisee also?
Yeah, I think the return on investment, we'll be pleasantly surprised with the product that is out there. I think that there are a lot of good women hockey players. We've just not ever had a big platform, and this is really going to be their coming out party. So I do hope that the 6 becomes 8 and then even grows at parity with the men. So that is the goal.
Any realistic expectations from season 1 of this hockey league?
Absolutely. I think we're all in it to win it. And our, Parth is a super passionate sports lover, and he's very competitive when it comes to sport. So I'm sure he's going to be front and center and screaming his head out. But we're really looking forward to this. It's not just year 1. We want to build a movement which gives hockey its credit and grows teams in a way that is more sustainable and gives the whole sport a fillip as a pathway to entertainment.
Thank you so much for talking to us. So Manisha Malhotra from JSW Sports, she is hopeful that this Hockey India League that contains men's and women's team is going to be a game changer for the sport of hockey in India. With camera person Mohit, this is Suchitra for DD India in New Delhi.